Hey YouTube, it's Heiko. Quick video, just wanted to show you what I'm up to. So this here is what used to be the office or the den or whatever you want to call it. Today we're starting a remodel and I'm just going to flip the camera around, show you what we're up to, and for the next 3 weeks or so there are definitely not going to be that many YouTube videos coming out. Here's the plan. Currently here are only two big rooms. This is a bedroom and then the office next to it. And as you can see, we are turning the square footage of those two large rooms into three. So we're tearing out walls. This wall goes. And then the office is going to be open up to our dining room kitchen area. So this wall here, that one, this wall, and also those headers here everywhere. This header it's all going to be removed, so this is going to be all open. So the den, still a sunken room with a little step, it's going to be open up to the dining room, and then we're going to create two new rooms. And so I'm already in the process of cutting the carpet out. This is the other pretty large room. So this is what's going on at Heiko's house, and then you can see there are only two windows. Each room has one window, but ultimately it's going to be four windows. So this is the den, then this is the room in the middle that we're going to be creating. Gets two windows because there is a step in the outside wall here. So one small one and a small one, and then another one over here. So all those windows go. The outside elevation is going to be changed. So this is some structural work. That's why we have a permit for this, and we have an engineer signing off on all this, that our house doesn't come crumbling down. And as you can see, I'm pretty sweaty already, so I'm gonna be doing some of the labor, and then we have a friend who is a contractor who is gonna be my supervisor, so to speak. That's already his dump trailer out there, and he has all the tools. Me too, but you know, he has probably the better tools for the job. So that's what's going to go on here for the next 3 weeks. And once this wall realignment and floor plan change has been completed, then we're going to start tearing out all the carpet, the cheap laminate in the dining room, all the way down to the hallway, and we're going to put in new flooring. What that's going to be, we don't know quite yet. And as you can see, I put a little bit of some dust barrier here because, you know, when you tear this wall out, it's going to be a mess. And right behind here is our living room with all the furniture that we had to move out of these two rooms. So that's what's going on. All right, I'll leave you guys to it, and I'll rip some more carpet out. You guys take care. Bye. So, this is the result of one day working demolition. These are all the 2x4s and all the walls that we pulled out. This is all the drywall here. There's a little bit left. I just don't want to fill the trailer any higher. Insulation. Obviously we had insulated interior walls. And now let me show you what happened inside. So all the walls that we wanted to take out, gone. This wall is gone. And this wall to our dining room, kitchen. There's the kitchen, there's the dining room. There's still a header that needs to be removed. But yeah, this is number 1 day of demolition. A little bit more cleaning in here, a little bit more sweeping up, and then we're done for today. And I'll give you a short little updates on, you know, the old windows are going to go, and then we're going to install some European style tilt and turn windows. If you have never heard of that, I will show you in one of those short little construction videos. All right, guys, that's it. See you in the next one.